This is gonna be a very different video because today I am unloading some of my perfumes. Behind me is my perfume wall. I'll give you guys a little preview of what the room looked like to what it is right now, just because it's a beauty room and I feel like carpet just holds a lot, you know. Today I'm unloading one of my perfume totes. You saw it in my previous videos, so I'm gonna just pull it out, and my plan is to have like the niche fragrances in the middle. I'll probably put like designer on one side and everything else on another side, so it's gonna be really good. And I'm just gonna randomly remove the fragrances. I don't remember what is in which tote, so you guys are just gonna unpack with me basically. So that's the plan, and let's see how that goes. Finally, I'm gonna get rid of like all my freaking boxes. It's almost sinful how many boxes I have. They all look new, so it's almost like I'm opening the fragrances all over again, so that's kind of exciting. I thought I had lost this fragrance. This is my box of Cavort. I just packed it earlier and forgot about it. So I was very happy when I saw it here. And this is niche, so we're gonna put Cavort right in the middle. It pains me to have to actually get rid of those boxes. I cannot be a hoarder, and this is kind of like goodbye. I'm sad. Gotta wipe it a little bit. I take care of my fragrances, as you can see. My recycling bin is about to be crazy. Okay, so we are making progress. She's looking really good. I just unboxed some very like memorable fragrances. This one is from House of Sillage, and this is the fragrance I was wearing when I got engaged. This is Passion de l'amour. I bought this one with my own money, and yeah, I discovered it when they sent me a discovery set. It's very special to me. Love this one so much. This one is in commemoration with Disney 100. So this one is Minnie Mouse. It smells so good, very fruity, very girly. Love this one. The caps are super weighted and these are pretty light, but yeah. So these are the only two I have from the house. It's coming along really well. It's honestly truly amazing. You can have so many fragrances and have such a special love for like specific fragrances. This one was a Valentine's gift from my fiance, and I love this fragrance from the time it came out, and every time I sniff this, every time I put this on, it's a full-on experience and I absolutely love it. I guess I'm into gourmands way more than I care to admit, but this one is glorious. This is Devotion by Dolce & Gabbana. Love it so much. Front stage. I think I'm gonna put all my Montal and Mancera right here on the second shelf. I have a very large collection of Montal and Mancera, so I want to give them their own shelf. I have my juice box fragrances right here. I love the packaging. They're pretty hefty. Siren and Sailors, as well as Karaoke Heart. You guys know how I feel about this. These two are like my top two out of the four that I have. Love, love, love these. I do have videos on these fragrances in case you want to check it out. I will link them either up here or in the description. I have a Vault exclusive playlist on my channel where I zone in on specific fragrance brands, so be sure to check that out. I have individual reviews on some of these fragrances as well, so yeah, I have a lot on my channel. I think it's all pretty good information if I do say so myself. But so far so good. I'm loving how it's looking. So my Mugler fragrances are very hard to put on the shelf, so I think I'm going to probably put them in my vanity when that's all set up. I will show you guys once I have it complete, but these cannot stand alone. So there's a little shelving situation in the vanity. I'll just place them in there and it will look very pretty. Plus I think it lights up a little bit, so it'll be aesthetically pleasing. I'm just gonna place these down here for now. We have completed tote number 1, and that was everything in there. I have a little challenge for you guys. Who can guess the number of fragrances I unboxed from tote number 1? Leave your guesses down in the comment section below. That is it. I think we are looking pretty good. I may or may not do a second tote today. After a couple days, I unboxed all my fragrances, and this is the final look. I am pretty satisfied with how it turned out. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Let me know what you think below.